Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hello, I'm Chantel. I'm so happy you're here and welcome to episode 2 of my Christmas series. So today I am playing with the Colourpop and Frozen 2 Anna collection. This is gorgeous and this is the look I created today. It is just a very natural brown, gorgeous kind of everyday look with just a little pop of glitter in the inner corner. Now this is my favorite packaging in the world. How gorgeous is this? It is perfect, legit for every skin tone, for every girl, because warm tones I feel like just suit everyone. And yeah, if you want to see how I created this gorgeous little look, then keep on watching. Alright guys, so I am playing with the beautiful Anna palette. I'm so excited, and I'm actually thinking of doing a matte eye today. I never ever do matte eyes, okay? I don't know what's wrong with me, but I kind of just want to do a natural look for kind of like an everyday, but not really everyday, like a more like a going out kind of natural look, if that makes any sense. But I'm basically just going to be playing with these really warm caramel tones in here, and then I'm thinking of putting the Glitterily Obsessed in my inner corner. So I won't be playing with these shimmer shades today, but if you guys would like to see a another tutorial using the glitters, let me know in the comments. So I'm going to grab a Zoeva Luxe crease brush, and I'm going to go into Wind, which is a beautiful, it's like an orangey caramel brown. It's gorgeous. I already dipped into this palette before filming because I couldn't help myself, and I had to. I just really wanted a warm eye look, and it was just sitting there, and I just had to. I'm sorry. So this is technically not a first impressions, but whatever. How gorgeous is this shade? So pretty. I feel like this shade in particular would look gorgeous on people with blue eyes, because these kind of colors really make blue eyes stand out. So pretty. So now I'm going to use one of the Morphe and Jeffree Star brushes. This one is JS8, and I'm going to be dipping into Warm Hugs. This shade is so cute, and it's got little specks of glitter in it by the looks of it. And I'm basically going to be repeating that exact same step, but I won't be bringing this color right up to my brow bone. I'm just going to be focusing it more in my crease. This shade is so gorgeous as well. Oh, I just want a white Christmas so bad, you guys. Like, I even have the little fire going in the background. Next year I am planning on going to Canada and America with one of my really good friends. So I am so excited for that, but it's still a year away. Okay, so now I'm going to go in. These are really like hard to, what does that even say? Charades? Okay, I actually have no idea what that says. I think it says Charades, which is like the dark brown in this palette, and also going into Fearless as well. So I'm going to be mixing these two together, And I'm going to just put this on the outer corner. And I'm just kind of stamping it on first. And then doing light sweeping motions. And then I'm going to go back into Wind, that first shade we used, because that kind of disappeared. And just make sure that's all blended out. Like, how pretty is that? Oh, so cute. Oh, I really want to use Scooch in this like gorgeous monochrome white kind of shade. I like really want to put that in this area. I can't do a matte eye. I just can't do it. I can't. Like, I'm sorry, I just can't do it. I'm gonna add more of Charades and just darken this outer corner up more. So I'm going to grab a Luxe Classic Shader brush. This is from Zoeva. And I'm going to go in a scooch in. I'm gonna do it. And I'm just gonna put this on the inner corner. And hopefully this will just like open up the eye. I did not expect that shade to look like that. It's like got a rose gold flip to it. I thought it was gonna be like more white, but it's actually just like a shimmery, I don't know if you guys can like see that, but it's just got this really pretty rose gold shimmer in it. I like it. Okay, I really like that look. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the other eye off camera just real quick, and then I might just apply some like brown liner and some lashes. But yeah, I'll get back to you guys. Okay guys, so I decided I'm not going to be wearing lashes today, and I just put some mascara on. This is the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes Mascara. Got this for my birthday and I've been really enjoying it. And also I just put some brown liner just like on my lash line. This is the Colourpop Cream Gel Liner in Mr. Bing. So I am keeping it quite natural. But I have decided for my lower lash line, I am going to add a bit of purple, and I'm going to add Autumn Breeze, which is this beautiful dark purple shade. So I'm just taking like a flat tipped brush like this, going into my purple shade and placing this just below the lash line. And then I'm going to go into Fearless and Warm Hugs and blend that out just below it. So I'm going to put a touch of this Glitterly Obsessed in my inner corner. Just a touch, just a smidgen. And I'm going to take a synthetic brush if I can find one. Alright, I'm going to try this little guy here. It's quite hard to work with because it's a gel consistency. cute. I only wanted to add just a little bit, just so I'm using the whole collection. So that looks really nice, and you could still rock this, you know, every day. Like just a touch of glitter in the inner corner and, you know, could totally rock that. I would rock it. So now for the beautiful lipstick and the lip gloss. I'm going to line my lips this time because I noticed in my Elsa video my lips were a little bit dodgy. I'm sorry about that because I didn't line my lips. So there is a lesson there. Line your lips. So this is the packaging for the Luxe lipstick. It is gorgeous. It's like this metallic purple, and this is the shade. How pretty is that? This is just like a perfect, like, I don't even know how to describe it. It's like a reddish brown, and it's just so pretty. Like, I just think this is like the perfect Christmas lip. Okay, I love that so much. Wow, that is so pretty. Okay, I am obsessed with that shade. I love this look, you guys. Like, this is just a very like warm, really natural but gorgeous look, and I'm obsessed with this. Now for the lip gloss. Alright guys, this is the final finished look. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I am really happy with how this turned out. So if you guys want to see more a dramatic look using this palette with like the purples and the gold glitter, let me know. And yeah, don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye!